Switching to a voice-over IP phone system can be a significant step for any business, promising cost savings, enhanced features, and more flexibility. However, a successful transition requires careful planning and execution. Implementing voice-over internet protocol into your business operations can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and strategies, the process can be smooth and hassle-free. Here are 3 essential steps to ensure a successful voice-over IP transition. Assess your current infrastructure. Your existing network infrastructure needs to be able to handle the additional traffic of your new system. Conduct a thorough network assessment to identify any potential upgrades or improvements that might be needed. This includes checking your bandwidth capabilities and ensuring your internet connection is stable and strong enough to handle your future phone system. Choose the right voice over IP provider. There are numerous providers in the market, each offering a variety of features. Choosing a provider that best fits your business needs and offers reliable customer support is crucial. Consider factors like pricing, scalability, quality of service, and the features offered when making your selection. Training and support. Transitioning to new technology will require some adjustments for your staff. Make sure to provide proper training so your team understands how to use your new phone system efficiently. This could involve online tutorials, workshops, or training sessions from the provider. Also, ensure ongoing technical support is available to resolve any issues that might arise. Transitioning to voice over IP doesn't have to be complicated. With careful planning and the right strategies, you can ensure a smooth transition that will benefit your business in the long run. If you have any questions about new phone systems or need assistance with your transition, don't hesitate to give our team a call. We're here to help.